Hi, Liam.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Good. What are we doing today?
We are making a science experiment about the magenta.
Okay, what items do we have for our experiment?
We have a card, a quarter, and a cup.
Okay. So what's the first thing that you need?
I accidentally put water in it, and then she said no, so I just drank it all. Yeah, I know, that's funny.
Okay, what's the first thing that you're gonna do?
Center it like this.
Okay. Make sure it's about the same both ways this way. Awesome. And then what?
It's right here.
Yep. Does it seem like the quarter's about centered over the cup? I think you had it right there. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, now what I want you to do, I'm gonna turn this way. And as carefully, right there, just like I want it for your angle.
So
What I want you to do is flicky fingers, wait, towards this stand. Oh, let's try it again, hold on. Let's try doing it all in one flick if you can. Ready?
Oh! How did I actually do it?
What just happened?
God,
Why is it wet?
Because there was water in there.
I have a
See,
question.
I told you there was water in there.
So what happened?
So this was centered. I flipped it. There was nothing to hold it up, so it just went down.
Why did it not just ride with the card?
Because it was going too fast. Oh, how did I actually do that?
Why else do you think?
So cool. I know.
Which one weighs more? Does the quarter weigh more
Quarter,
than the
yeah,
card?
the quarter weighs more. I
Do
want
you
to
think
see.
that had
I want to
anything
do
to
that
do with
again.
it?
Yes. Oh, this is so cool, dude! I cannot stop doing this. There goes the card. There goes the card. There goes the card. Oh my goodness!
What?
Wow, this is so fun.
What scientific property
I do not know.
or law or fact is the quarter falling into the cup?
I do not know why.
What force is acting on that quarter that it fell down?
Gravity.
Gravity.
Yeah, Isaac Newton discovered that. If you didn't know about him,
All right, one last time.
Isaac. Listen. Oh. Head. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Ugh.
Well, here's part of the problem is the card's getting wet now. Try it now.
Oh my goodness, what the heck? Dude, this is crazy.
Okay, we'll try it one last time now. There you go!
Yes!